It's in their nature. Elephant won't allow young males to join in, especially under the age of 18. It has to be separated from the breeding head of the female. So go and do their own things. It's wonderful. Most of them are coming towards the vehicle and are not really angry with us. They just understand what's going on here. The ears are a little bit open. Look at the female. Maybe she's very, very large. You never know. Maybe she's a matriarch. There's a one that's leading them up into the front. It can be a matriarch. This one can be a second child matriarch. You never know, because it's really showing from the distance that what's going on here? Why is the vehicle here? So slowly moving, as you can see. Especially Makulu something though. The Garifan is slowly moving to the south. In most cases, if they find that there's a vehicle, they do a subsonic sound, a very low frequency of communication, which most of the time they do by the grumbling of the stomach. Look at the two there, now starting to move. They're just nesting the youngster, the female that is still approaching the vehicle directly here. So most of the time, elephant will respect. The one comes towards the vehicle, they'll slightly go off into the vehicle, because we've been here before the elephant come. They're going to respect that. Elephant has a sense of humor. Most of the time, the respect is not so easy. I can hear the grumbling of the stomach. It's not easy if they find a vehicle and in parking and push that vehicle. Unless if you come towards them while they're coming, they would like to show that they're bigger than you. They might push, they might show off that the vehicle must go away. Especially with the youngster like this, females are not more protected. Like the youngster is nice and the memory gland of the elephant is more close between the front feet. It's not the same as a human being. She's beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Thank you. I'm having a question from William. William, when I look at the clothes, when I look at the animal eyes very close, what I'm thinking. William, for me, I'm born in the area. I'm born under the tree surrounded by the wildlife. If I look at the eye of the animal very close, as the female coming here, you can see the eyes very close. I can read whatever is there. I know exactly what they're up to. So for me, it's not a problem. I can tell what's going on here. So I don't care a lot with an elephant. You won't believe how close this elephant gets here. It's close about a meter. There's nothing that elephant will do as long if I behave. Just tell me that we can see you. What you're up to. So really, if I look at an eyes for an animal, or it can be lion, leopard, elephant. What I can see there, no, look at the elephant there, digging out the pipe, looking for fresh water, back to the water hole. I just look at the animal itself, and look at the body language, and look more action, what he's doing. It tells he's more relaxed, he just want to know what I'm up to. So look at straight to the eye of the animal itself. I get a lot of information there that makes me very relaxed, very calm. You know, most of the time people, they said if you look at the animal, lion, leopard, you know, you mustn't look at straight to the eye, because leopard might think that you are more dominant to him, and it starts to protect itself. It's nothing like that. eye contact is where yourself you can show the animal how brave, how strong you are, and the animal will understand that I'm facing a big guy here. He's really bigger than me. He's not shy. He can protect himself. Look like he's more strong. All these species here, if you look at them on the eye, if you're not strong, you're not confident enough, they can read from your eyes, from your face, and know exactly what you're up to. If they really wants to charge you, if you look at the eye and see that you're nervous, it's going to charge. But if you look at the eye and look at straight direct and find that you're a lot more strong and you're confident in whatever you're seeing in front of you, there's nothing that's going to happen. It will look at you and look at the side. Same as you, if you feel guilty, if lion look at straight you to the eye and find the lion is you submit and the lion is stronger than you have to look aside. So if a lion look at me and look at him and straight in the face, you'll really tell that he's stronger than me. I have to look aside because I shows that in the body language. That question was from William. And William is what I'm thinking all the time when I look at the animal. Straight to my eye, the information that I'm giving you is what all the time I'm thinking about this animal. If I look at the eye direct, for me, it tells that I'm more confident, and the animal itself knows that I'm more confident. Whatever I think, for an elephant, is a powerful animal. If I look at an eye like this boy here, I'm looking straight direct to the zebra and I'm facing him. You can see that I'm stronger than him. You must show off in the vehicle that is stronger, or shaking the head, or coming straight trying to mock charge. You know, that means relax. Look at the eye. It's a lot more relaxed towards the vehicle. It's just a walk past. He feel himself guilty coming so close to the vehicle and start the vehicle moving. Boys are always like, they will try something, try to make themselves very big, open up the ears, and tell you, I'm bigger than you. Sometimes they might try to trumpet. Sometimes they'll try to, even show you that they're not female of the vehicle, but really I know their mind about the president, especially if you're not look at this, just standing behind us. Look at the vehicles, what we're up to, why these guys are here. Both of them are just resisting. Even if we boys, while we're still young, we were playing a game of pushing pushing the boys from our territory. If you enter to our village from somewhere else, we have to make sure that you have to go back running and show that we are the dominant boys on that. The same as an elephant. This is actually their place. But showing from the specific breeding head of elephant, they will really protect it. Yeah, it's quite a lot of large female in this breeding head of animals. Yes, we are here. Yes. Look at the female. She's got a very big set of ears, trying to make herself very, very, very big. And really because we're standing still, not moving. Look at the youngs, a little bit nervous. They're in the mood of running away. But they're a lot more comfortable because they're right in the middle of the head.